Oh, oop. That's a scrape for sure. Hey guys, we're back at the cabin. I know it's been a minute, but obviously what you see on the ground there is where what I've been up to, sawing up some logs for the new deck. So I didn't make it up here last weekend, but back today. We got a couple little jobs on the go. We got to tear off that old piece of deck there. I brought up a few more battens that are missing around the outside there. I see there's one up there. I'm missing two. I had to replace that one or put one there. That was never there actually. But we took up a load of lumber. It's out at the laydown. I call it the laydown. So I took some 2x8s in there today. I still got more out there, 2x4s. Unload the back of the side-by-side. I mean, I gotta put my work boots on. Sneakers are not good. I had to check and see if I got any ratchet straps because I didn't have any ratchet straps to ratchet that down on the way in. I was kind of bouncing around there loose. Didn't like that. There's always something you seem to forget when you come up here. You can't think of everything. Think of pretty much everything, but there's always something. So we're gonna go on inside. I'm gonna put on my work boots and my coveralls. Let's go inside. First off, do our mouse check. 0, which is good. 0 there. What's behind the curtain? Door number 3. 0 there, which is awesome. Okay, let's head back out here. We brought a few other things up with us today. We got tool bag. I got some leg bolts in there. That's for the outside project. Brought my cordless nailer. I'll haul that out after. A couple other tools in there. These are screw piles that I purchased a while back for the new cabin build that I put on hold for now. These here are going to be used for the outside support of our deck. They're screw piles. They screw in the ground. And I'm going to borrow a 1-inch battery powered impact. This tool goes on the end of it, this adapter. It's made for a 1-inch drive impact. And that fits over the top of the screw pile. Brought the little battery powered Husky top handle. Handy little tool. Try not to leave home without it. You don't know when you're going to need a chainsaw back here. And guess what I brought this time? Or I didn't forget it. The marteau. My marteau. That marteau is an Estwing I bought when I was in trade school 30 years, 35 years ago. A long time ago. I don't want to do the math. Anyways, it treated me well. It's been with me a long time. We have it this time. We forgot it the last time we were up here. Some more screw piles. Another box of screw piles. That's 8. I still have another 4 home. That's 12. One every 5'11", I think. I've done up a little drawing. 8 feet out from the door. 5'11", every one going this way. And I'm gonna try to make it wrap around to the front of the cabin. I want to bring it over a little bit around the front. Probably won't go as far as the window. I'll go a little ways with it. Although I have lots of lumber. We'll see how things go. I'm gonna head on in and get dressed. Gotcha. Hopefully today we'll get the ledger on, get that secured, get them battens, like I said, put on. Oh boy, you don't want to roll your knees on top of a nail like that, because believe me, it hurts. Not a good feeling. Ooh, I wonder if I can pry that up. A little easier now. Let's give it a try with the bar. That's a little easier for sure. Oop. That wasn't supposed to break. Nope. It's gonna break if I pull on it too hard. Easier to pull them with the Wonder Bar. That's what they call that, a Wonder Bar. Gotta watch them nails. I don't want that into my hands. A little lighter now. I'm gonna go get my my maul axe. See what this does. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh shit. What if I can beat them off? Let's see what we can do here. It's holding that to the wall. Oh yeah. Oh, I got leg bolts there. That's what I got. Get my impact driver. I got the impact. Let's see if we can take these screws out. There we go. Now we're cooking with butter now. All right. Excellent. Got a little chill on. Let's try the impact driver with a socket. Let's see if we can get them leg bolts out. Holds that 2x6 to the wall. But I need my socket adapter. The old nail gun. Need that right away. Put you inside for now. Oh, oop. Didn't mean to demolition you. Oh, that's one. Two. I think I got that one. Oh, that's that. What else we got? Something over here. We're getting there. Oh, that's that. Broke that off. Let's grab the little top handle and we'll cut them boards up a little smaller and try to start a fire. Let's get out our trusty bottle of propane and our torch and use that too. I want to light that today. Let's grab a few of these. They look pretty dry. Ooh, jeepers. This is where that used oil comes in handy for lighting fires. Put a little bit of this killing underneath here. See if we can get a little fire going here. A little base. Give it a little soak down. A little used oil so we can get our torch going. Come on, baby. Give us a light. It's time to burn the pile of rubbish. It's plenty wet. The burn ban is off. And you couldn't start a fire in the woods if you wanted to, besides here. Give me another little taste of oil here. Let it drip down on it. Oh, don't go out. I think we're gonna have it. I think it's gonna go, guys. Perfect. Get that off of there. A little more oil, maybe. That's better. We got her, I think. She's at the point of no return. Throw a little more oil up and all around here. And when it does get going, it won't take long. Used oil is cheap. Let's get rid of these boards with the nails in them before I end up stepping on something. First outside burn since last year. And it's gonna go good. Slow and steady wins the race. It's one thing you want to do. Don't want to do back here is hurt yourself. Then you're out of commission. I have a bad habit of rushing. I'm a bull in terror. I gotta take a step back now and then. Slow down. We have fire. Good fire now. Ooh, I picked up some kind of virus at work. I was sick as a dog there for a whole day. Couldn't get off the sofa at all. But not 100% there yet. It's flu season. I'm gonna have a good fire going here shortly. Ha! Bugger. There we go. Whew. Get out of that smoke. Killer. I'll let that burn down a little bit. Go back to our project. We'll just throw some more over there and get it out of our way so we're not walking on it. Close to the burn pile. I'll clean all this up. Oh yeah. We got a fire going now, which is good. Burn all this junk, scrap wood. It only attracts the ants if you leave it hanging around. Ants love rotten wood. We'll get rid of it. We're getting there. Looks better. 100% better. That old chair, I guess that can stay there. A few more pieces here. Crackling sound of wood burning. Something about it. I wonder if I can get this on the top of that fire. This thing is heavy. Holy cow. Let's try to get it up on the top. Oh yeah. Whew, that was a job. It wasn't late. Alrighty, now we have to find the sill, the height where we're gonna put the ledger along the rim joist. Right over there. Alright, there's my tape and a pencil. So probably gonna go 1-inch board. Let's go, let's see what we're gonna do here. Leave about a 1-inch gap, roughly. 1-inch gap, 1-inch board, because that's what I'm cutting, 1 inch. There's our height for the top of our rim joist, right there. 2 inches down. 2 inches down. That gives us an inch for a drop down. That's roughly what I see online. You don't want it, I guess you could have it flush. You want a little bit of room, the wiggle room there. I'm a lefty, so all my pencils gotta go on my left side. So I gotta look underneath here. Let's see where my rim joist is. Oh, it's a bit wet. Right here. She's right there. I'm gonna leave them boards on. I'm going to leave them boards on. I'm just going to cut the battens. There's no advantage to me taking them boards off or cutting them, I don't think. I ended up getting a new chalk line today. I gotta figure out how to fill it up. Release reel. How the heck do you open it up? That's a lock, unlock. Sure how the hell you open it up. Don't want to break it. Open up reel release. Take that screw off of there, I guess. That's how you gotta do it, maybe. Sure how you get that thing. I have my nut driver. That's not working very good, is it? Oh, don't want to lose that. The heck do you fill that up? I guess you just pour it in there. Blue chalk dust. Seems like it's working. It's going somewhere. I should have stretched it all out first. That's what I should have done. And then filled it up. Yeah, maybe not. Put that screw back in it before I lose it. Right there for now. I'm gonna have to get a measurement from the. I should cut off the bottom of my rim joist, and then I'll know how far to come up. Because right now I don't know where I'm at. Let's take my chainsaw, cut some more of this off. For now. That'll show me where my bottom of my rim joist is. Flock of ducks landed out in the lake, taken off there. Not sure what they are. Okay, where are we at here? There's my joist right there. I'll cut up a little bit farther maybe. I gotta watch them screws. Oh, jeepers. Screws there. Get that screw out of there. Wrong bit. The wrong bit. A little bend on it and then you can turn it out. Okay, let's get the tape here. What are we at? 2 7/8, 2 3/4, 1 7/8. Roughly right here. Somewhere's around there should be good. Nails there. Nail there. Alrighty. Nail on them. My knees off the ground. Let's go up here. Probably gonna come about a couple feet past the door for sure. Let's go. Maybe 3 feet past the door. Well, sounds pretty good. Be able to come out, shovel off the doorstep. Okay, get our saw. It's flush right there, pretty much. Right here, hard to see that. Somewhere's there. I'm gonna go 8 inches above the rim joist. 8 inches. That's the bottom of the rim joist there. My 2x8's gonna get nailed right to it. Right there. Let's get another mark over here. Roughly 8 inches up. Let's put a screw in there. Another screw. Another screw here. And we'll chalk a line. That looks pretty good. Oh, fucker. Didn't feel good. Didn't hurt them. Okay. Let's cut these battens. See what happens here. They're 1 inch thick. Let's set the depth gauge. Roughly 1 inch. got here? Oh, jeepers. Oh, a rock. That's what we got. 8 inches. Pretty much. I'm gonna go a little bit deeper. Just not quite enough. That one's got a nail in it. Go a little bit deeper. I'll only cut into the board a little bit. It's not a big deal. I don't like the orientation of this handle. I'd rather use it. I'd almost rather use the chainsaw. That there can stay on. That doesn't have to come off. The old ledger board. It'll be fine there. Let's go check out the fire. I think it's time we stoke it up a little bit. That's burnt out. Wicker chair time. Watch a wicker chair go up in flames. Ooh, some heat coming off of that pile of coals. Shouldn't take long to catch. Throw a few more boards underneath it. Give a little bit of help. That there for now. Ooh, that's hot. This table's next. That's where you're going. It burnt down pretty good. What we got here? More garbage. Not there for now. a little bit further. We'll check on that a bit later. All right, let's get this off. Didn't quite cut right through, did I? That one's not quite cut straight through either, I don't think. Gotta get used to that hammer loop behind me. Not used to that. God damn it. I lost what I had. We got another one here. We didn't get that one off, did we? Oh, that's got a screw in it. Ooh, that was close. I see it now. Whoa, right in the fire, what a shot. Okay guys, let's what time of day is it? We're gonna go for a little hunt before dark. I don't want to spend too much time here. I'll put some of these tools inside right now, because we'll be able to work right to the last minute, grab the rifle and go. I'm gonna put screw jacks inside, or screw piles, not screw jacks, screw piles right here on the floor. They won't be getting screwed in today. Another day for them. Pick up this and this. We'll probably use our nailer just to hold it up temporarily. Where's our table? What do we got going on here? Let's take one of these 2x8s. Oh. Square up one end of it. My pencil. I should have my big square. Where are we at here? Oh, not deep enough. 2-inch. There we go. How's that? Pretty good. That's good. That's good. Okay, we'll just turn this right around. Square up this end. Doesn't matter where it stops. I have clamps that I might as well use. Good. Check for square. Looks good. There yet? Almost there. Maybe we'll just go right to that batten. That sounds fair to me. Okay, how are we gonna hold that up? Is that closer? Just like that. Okay, I got a couple of wedges. My wedges are in here. You can use these to hold that up. That's close enough. Good enough. I wonder how level that is. Level as the camp, I guess. It's my little torpedo saying she's low on the front. What are we at here? Let's do a measurement here. Let's see where we're at with the 2 3/4. Yeah, I gotta go up a lot here. Oh, it can't be 2 3/4. Yeah, it is 2. I gotta go up a lot yet. What am I here? What the hell? Flush here. There's my 2x8 there. 8 inches is right here. I gotta take a little bit more off of them. That's fine. We can do that. 8 inches. Chalk line. I should just keep that in my bag instead of going in and out for it. Every 8 inches here. There's the 2x8. Yeah. 8 inches there. Which runs downhill a little bit. We are going to take some more off of that. That's what we're going to do. Man, that thing reels in quick. Wow. Where's my chainsaw? That's what we're using. We ain't building a piano. Whoa! Whoa! I hit a screw. Damn. Didn't see that. Didn't see that one. Yay. Is that another one? Or what? Looks like another one. It is another one. That would have been a double whammy. What do we got over here? Another one down here. Triple whammy. Nope. That didn't work. Need my nailer. Let's drive a few nails in there. That'll hold that. That nails. I got some here. That's good. My chain is probably dull after striking a screw. Oh, Jesus. Oh, man. That sucks. She's dull as a hoe. I'll go back to the skill saw. That sucks. Got the job done anyway. Gotta sharpen my chainsaw now. That sucks. Let me see here. I'll take that home with me tonight. Sharpen that in the vise. Make it a little easier. Fire's doing well. Okay. Let's try this again. That underneath there. First. Okay, that side's gotta go up for sure. I should have my 4-foot level. Torpedo level's not much good on 10 feet, 8 feet. When I have a 4-foot level here to use, might as well use it. Either the camp is really off level, which is very possible, which is probably right. Let me check here. Can't see that, can I? The front of this camp is gotta go. It's way too high, maybe. No, it's gotta go up. It's gotta go up a lot. That's all right. Sitting on the 2x8 there. I gotta go up a lot in the front. Let's just go flush with the... Oh, I almost laid on that. That would have hurt. Let's just go with the 2x8 for now. And if need be, I will jack it up. So let's go with the 2x8. Like I said, if I had to jack it up, I'll jack it up. Give me this little piece here. My hammer. Where's my marteau? Get out of here. Get out of there. Does that look level? The door? Something still don't look right here. I got a different measurement underneath my door. I'm a little bit high here, that's why. Take this out. There's flush. Right there. There's where I'm gonna let her have it. And we're gonna go flush over here. Which is right there, I believe. 2.5. Yeah. 2.5. Let's flush. All right. And that's level, pretty much right across. Bottom of the door here looks pretty good. Ain't much in the difference. 2 inches, 3/8. No, 2 inches over here. And I got 2 3/16. It's close enough. Close enough for me. That's good. Okay, what do I got left here? Come right out to the edge. 73. I need a piece 73. Some more ducks landing in the lake. There's 73. Put our clamp on. I don't know, I've never used a square to when I've cut before, so this is kind of new to me. But it works. I'm sure of that. Take this over here first. Holding that out. Too much. All right, let's flush there. Where are we at? With our bottom one. We're good. We're good. What we got there? I can't read that. Looks like there's half. 3/8. That's good by me. Perfect. I like it. I like it a lot. Where does 8 feet take us? 7, 8. Right there. So we're going to come out 8 feet with the joist. My outside beam be roughly 7 foot, 1 foot overhang right there. I need to get some rebar and drive it in, and then I'll get a height. So I think I'm fairly level there, but I'll figure that one out after. We'll start with the deck on this side first, and then we'll do the wraparound eventually. I just need a deck to get in for now. The front's not as important right now. I think it's snack time. Take this chair, put that right there. What do we get on the menu today? I think we got some tuna mixed up with some mayonnaise and a can of awa. I don't know how you pronounce that. Got an apple in there. Let's have a little seat here. Oh boy. You see the lake? I guess you can see the lake as well. Oh yeah, it feels good. I'm gonna have a little snack. Some tuna, some green onions, some crackers. Another nice day in the bush, for sure. Last weekend I was down cutting logs all weekend, cutting them 2x8s, 2x4s. Excuse me. I hope I don't see a deer over there, because I'm not ready. My rifle's inside. I should have it out here. Not sure if we're going to get out to the lay down and pick up the rest of that wood today. That might have to happen on another day. Fire's still going. I was really looking forward to coming up making a video for you guys today. Kind of miss coming back here. I only missed a week, really. I'd spend more time back here if I could. It ain't happening right now. The lake is going to be flat calm tonight. It's almost there now. That was good. Let's try this can of water. Sparkling water beverage. My phone's going crazy. I better look at it. It's my boys. Okay, guys. Let's pack things up. Put things inside. And we'll grab the rifle. We're going to go for a walk. It's a beautiful, calm evening. Wish us luck. Let's put the tools inside. It'll be dark when we get back. Let's pick up our gear. leaves are nice and quiet tonight. They're damp, they're wet. They're not crunchy like cornflakes. I have a light in the bag. Oh, it's nice and calm in here tonight. Beautiful evening. Deer track there. Another one there. Deer tracks on here. Deer tracks there. Looks like a scrape. Looks like another scrape right there. That looks like a scrape. I doubt the rain pushed the leaves like that. Parts of a truck or something over there. That's a scrape for sure. Right there. Coyotes are here. Looks like fox tracks. Small dog. Looks like a fox. There's a small coyote. Coyote tracks or fox. One or the other. It's a calm night. I might put some apples here. I like this spot. Nobody travels through here. There's a partridge crossing the road right there. See it? Looking for a place to roost for the night. So the coyotes and the foxes don't get them. They'll head up in the trees at night. He's still going over there. You guys probably can't see it. There he goes, up in a tree. There he is. I can see him from here. I can see where he landed. Spend the night up there. There he is. He flew again. That spot wasn't good enough. He's gone to another branch. Scope's bogged over. Pretty much had time to head out anyways. Oh boy. Let's look a slip there. See if we can get down to the lake. It's flat calm tonight. Beautiful. Speed her up here a little bit. Well guys, we made her back to the cabin. We didn't have any luck on the hunt, but it's all about the luck. We'll be trying again for sure. We got a little bit done to the cabin today. There's more to come. Can't wait to get that deck built. That's gonna be nice. I see our fire's still burning a little bit there. Oh, look at the lake. It's flat calm. Wow. Wow, the reflection. Look at the reflection. I don't know if you can see it. We're gonna take a walk down. This big coat off. I don't think anybody's gonna shoot me here. Holy cow, she's flat calm tonight. Let's see the reflection on the other side. The trees. Never seen it this calm for a long time. Look at that. Calm, calm night. There ain't a ripple on the water. Quiet. That's how I like it. Guys, we're gonna call this a video, I think. Not sure if you can see me. See my red hat. We got some work done on the cabin today. Took a little walk for, took a little stroll for deer hunt. Never got to see anything. Saw some scrapes. Saw a partridge. But, yeah. It's a beautiful evening. Look at that. Calm. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. And we'll see you again soon.